Hello my dear students, it is a continuation video of my previous video based on double decomposition reaction. In that video, I explained you about double decomposition reaction and its two types, precipitation and neutralization. But in that video, I thoroughly explained about precipitation reaction. I didn't speak about neutralization reaction. So in this continuation video, I will be teaching you neutralization reaction as a type of double decomposition reaction. So let's have a look now. See, neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? Neutralization reaction is a reaction between a base and acid to form salt and water only. Here, only word is very important because in this reaction, the products are only salt and water, no third product is possible. Alright, always a base reacts with acid to form salt and water only. As an example, I have written this reaction where I have taken example of base as NaOH, sodium hydroxide, acid, hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. When they react together, they form salt NaCl and water. Alright. So you can also learn the equation in this form that OH of the base reacts with H of the acid to form H2O. This way also you can learn the reaction. Now let us understand that why we call neutralization reaction as a type of double decomposition reaction. So to understand that, I have written the ions of the base NaOH. NaOH is made up of two ions, that is Na plus and OH minus. Acid HCl is not made up of ion, but in water it produces two ions, that is H plus and Cl minus. So in aqueous form, in the form of hydrochloric acid, which is its aqueous form, when it reacts with the NaOH in the aqueous form, then these two compounds, this base and this acid, they exchange their ions. They mutually exchange their ions. Sodium ion exchanges its hydroxide ion with the chloride ion of the acid HCl, or in other words I can say acid HCl exchanges its chloride ion with the negative OH minus ions of the base NaOH. So when they mutually exchange the ion, then Na combines with Cl to form NaCl and H plus combines with OH minus, okay, to form H2O. Since in this neutralization reaction there is a mutual exchange of ions, that's the reason this reaction is a type of double decomposition reaction. Alright, now I will tell you that basically neutralization reaction is the combination of OH minus of the base, OH minus coming from the base. It is a reaction between OH minus coming from the base with H plus ion coming from the acid. So when this OH minus that is coming from the base reacts with H plus coming from the acid to form water, then this reaction is called as neutralization reaction. Basically, in fact, the neutralization is the reaction between OH minus coming from the base with the H plus coming from the acid to form water. Alright, basically this is neutralization reaction. Since OH minus is coming from the base, acid is coming from, H plus is coming from the acid. So that's the reason we say that neutralization reaction is the reaction between base and acid to form water. And the ions which are left, they will combine to form salt. So this is about neutralization reaction. Now here one very very important point is there to be noted down, that when we say that base reacts with acid to form salt and water. See dear student, acids are always soluble. Acids are always soluble. Why? Because acids are always used in their aqueous form. But bases are of two types. Bases can be soluble or bases can be insoluble as well. So I can say that neutralization reaction is a reaction in which a soluble base or an insoluble base reacts with acid to form salt and water. Now the example which I taught you, here the base which was taken is the soluble base. Now I will tell you one example of the base which is insoluble. Now suppose I take here insoluble base as copper oxide, CuO, copper oxide. Now this insoluble base, when reacts with an acid, I will take acid now, H2SO4. Alright? Okay? Now then they combine in this way that they exchange the ion. Copper oxide exchanges its negative ion, this negative ion, with the sulfate as a negative ion of sulfuric acid. So when they exchange their negative ions, so we get new products. Which are the new products? One will be CuSO4, copper sulfate, and other one will be water, salt and water. Alright. So a neutralization reaction can be a reaction between a soluble base with the acid or insoluble base with the acid. I hope the concept of neutralization is clear to all of you.